Hi there, how are you? Hello, Leos. Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your reading for June, the last 10 days, money and love situation. So I'll just pick up 3 random cards here and it will give you messages, regarding your money and love situation. So being a retrograde season, Leos, all of us need to really go slow and do not take a decision in haste or be impulsive, because we need to wait. Any major decision, we just need to wait till the retrogrades just get over. So this I've been telling across signs for the whole month now, and it helps. Yeah, so let's see what's the card. Ace of Pentacles, the Magician, Knight of Pentacles. That's in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So let's see. Ace of Pentacles is like a new idea regarding it is usually Pentacles, usually a money card, but could also relate to your love situation. Like it talks about some new options coming regarding a business or a partnership or a love situation too, so which has growth potential, which has a lot of growth potential here, Leos, what I can see. You just something, a very beginning stage is just there. Maybe idea you just working on, or you receive a message from a love situation. So it's a very beginning energy with Ace of Pentacles, idea which could be great for your future. I mean, if you are taking action, and it could really get you this growth, whether it's money, and in certain cases it's love situation too. Okay, manifestation. So this card talks about there are certain things, maybe this is the idea you want to manifest this. So it talks about the Magician. You want things to just work out for you like a magician does, but it could also indicate there are you have to go slow. Firstly, there could be something hidden, there could be an illusion, Leo. So just go slow. You're trying to manifest things, but I'll just do a clarification on this Magician card. Let me see what it talks about. Magician card. Okay, so 9 of Cups. I feel Nine of Cups with the manifestation, you're trying to manifest this situation from the Ace of Pentacles beginning to you feeling independent. You are feeling happy, independent, but you're just trying to work through all the challenges and reach here from the Ace of Pentacles card. You want to be you're very much you emotionally, you are just feeling you want to feel happy, and this idea that page with the page Ace of Pentacles coming here, you want to reach here with this manifestation like abundance, prosperity, happiness. You want to reach here. So there could be, it also could talk about an awakening regarding a situation, so it's like you want to reach here. You want the help of this Magician to help you reach here. So let's see what the other card says. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So this talks about action. So I think you are taking steps, but I think it has to go slow. It's slow. It's going to take some time. It will not be as fast as you are thinking. You have to wait, and also that maybe you with this Magician, you're trying to make a strategy, or you need planning with this. So I feel this is more of a money situation for Leos. As I remember last reading, like emotionally you are on a guarded situation kind of. You have control over your emotions, and you have pushed yourself back regarding this emotional situation, love situation maybe, and you are working towards this finance money thing, but it's going to go slow for you. You might be expecting a little faster speed to execute this, but this is not happening right now in June. So let me take out one more clarification card for this. We will just get where we want to. Ace of Rods. So here I think it also talks not only about money situation here. So you want overall happiness, you want this idea which has growth with Ace of Pentacles, money card. So you want an overall happiness, abundance, prosperity, and this is showing that all things are coming, but it's gonna go slow, Leo. Ace of Pentacles could also talk about a love situation, maybe new love coming to you, and but things are going slow. So till June we really, and it's good for you. Retrogrades, you need to go slow. So this is it, what I feel. And I'll just pick up one card from the bottom of the deck. What is okay? The Hermit. The Hermit says, introspect within, go slow, see things. It's like analyze. So basically everything is like you want manifesting, and everything you want things to work for you. But then again, Hermit tells you, be careful. Stay, in certain cases you need to be guarded also. So it's talking about going within and introspecting things, and go slow manner, and heal yourself first, because all of us, this COVID-19 has caused immense damage, economically, money wise, and lot of relationships have fallen apart because of this. So it's just like not rush into things, and do your healing. Don't like, you might be feeling lonely sometimes with the Hermit card. So it's basically telling you, just go slow and let these days, you can just have that ideas and you can start working towards it, but you need to go slow. This is what I have for you, Leo. And if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.